lovelies, welcome to my channel. I'm Becca. I hope you all are doing amazing. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a unboxing and it's beauty related, so I'm really excited about that. IPSY contacted me and they kindly sent me their PR box for the month of October. So I have the box here and I'm gonna show you everything that's inside. So IPSY, it's a beauty subscription that you can get on a monthly basis, and they have different glam bags. I'm gonna be showing you two of them. So let's get started. And the first thing I have here, it's a cute welcome card. I really love the theme for the month of October. So let me show you what else I have in the box. They also sent me a slip mask, which is this one, and it says IPSY right here. I love using this ones whenever I'm doing my skincare routine, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing this one a lot. And I have here a candle. It's perfect for the season. It says IPSY as well, and it says your magic. It smells amazing. It's definitely kind of giving me the fall vibes, and I cannot wait to light this one up. So now I'm going to show you the glam bag. This is a glam bag for the month of October and I am obsessed with the design. So with this one you get a $50 value in products and you're only paying $12 a month. So let's open it up. And the first thing I have here, it's skincare related, which is something that I really love. And this one is by Sunday Riley. I haven't tried this product. This is a serum, but I have heard a lot about it, so I'm gonna be trying it and I'll update you on it. I also have here this eyeshadow palette, which is really gorgeous, has the perfect colors for the season. So this one is by Illuminati and I'm gonna be trying it out, and I'll be posting some looks on my Instagram, so don't forget to check that out. I also have here a mascara. This one is by Bobbi Brown. I haven't tried any of their mascaras, so I'm actually looking forward to giving this one a go. And I have a hair care product as well. This one is by Briogeo. Have used the hair mask, so I'll be giving this one a go. This is a leave-in conditioning spray. Last but not least, I have this product by Smashbox. So this is a photo finish primer and I have used this one in the past. I love that it helps to create a smooth finish. So this is super nice. So this is a Glam Bag Plus, and as you can see, it has the same design as the other one. And with this one, you're actually getting 5 full-size products and a value of $120, but you're only paying $25 a month. Another thing that I like about IPSY is that you get to fill out a quiz, which would help to personalize your bag. Let me show you what I have in this bag. And the first thing I have here is skincare related. So this one is by Filorga. I haven't tried this brand yet. It's a eye care product. It helps to hydrate as well as for dark circles, so I'll be updating you on this one. Another product I have here is by Seattle London. This is a setting powder, and again, this one will be a new one for me to try. I also have here a eyeshadow palette. So this one is by Huda Beauty, and let me show you the palette. So it has a gorgeous tones. I really love it. I think it's perfect again for the fall season. I'm gonna be using this one as well and creating some looks to share on my Instagram, and it comes with a mirror. And it also comes with a Firma brush. Super soft. And last but not least, I have here a envelope, which I think it's really gorgeous. So this one is by La Rouge, and it has brushes, makeup brushes as well. So let me show you the brushes. So these are the brushes, and they look so luxurious. It feels super soft. They have a nice design. Definitely going to be using this ones on a daily basis. So I'm getting actually 5 makeup brushes on the bag, which I think it's pretty amazing. So those are all the products that I received on my PR box. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be sharing this on a monthly basis. I'm gonna leave a link for you to check out the subscriptions. They also have a ultimate, which comes with full size and deluxe products, which I think it's really nice. and I'll be posting the looks I create with this products as well as updates of the skincare on my Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye.